Hi, in front of me is ZTE Blade V8 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can connect this device to printer. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll all the way down, click on Advanced Settings and scroll down again. Click on Printing, tap on Add Service and select one of the printing apps. I want to go with HP one, so I have to tap on it and install it. Now I have to go back into the same settings and click on my print service. Finally, click on the switcher if it's not already on. Your device is now searching for a printer. When it finds one, like in my case, it will connect to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!